Our foam removes carbon in the form of residue, as well as copper, lead, zinc, and all other contaminants. The highly effective formula quickly and safely cleans the barrel, chamber area, and hard-to-reach parts of the gun. The product is ammonia-free and does not emit toxic fumes. It is not flammable. It meets all industrial standards for firearm maintenance. It is harmless to metal, wood, paints, varnishes, ceramics, rubber, and plastic. The product, just like gun cleaner, has a wide range of applications, but due to its foam form, it is particularly designed for cleaning barrels, chamber areas, and hard-to-reach places, such as trigger mechanisms or gas keys. Both products change color to blue when reacting with copper. This indicates that they are functioning properly. Before applying the product to the barrel and chamber area, you should wipe it from the inside with a plastic brush to check for blockages and remove loose contaminants. It's best to apply the foam to the barrel in a vertical position until it comes out of the muzzle. Additionally, we can use it to clean other parts of the gun, such as the trigger mechanism, firing pin socket, or muzzle devices. After applying the product, you should wait for 10-15 minutes. The longer we wait, the better the result we will achieve. Remember to avoid using gun cleaner and the foam on DLC surfaces. Make sure that these surfaces do not come into contact with it for longer than 15-20 minutes. After this time, you should rinse the cleaned surface with a cleaner. How does body cleaning foam work? From the moment it comes into contact with the surface, the active ingredients of the foam penetrate the surface of the carbon deposits and micro cracks. Contaminants are separated, including coal, copper, lead, and zinc. They dissolve and are easy to remove using rags, brushes, or patches. After cleaning, we recommend removing any leftover foam with a cleaner and securing it with oil. The product comes in a foam form in an aerosol with capacities of 100, 200, and 400 mAh.